Investing in cryptocurrencies, a beginner's guide. So you want to start investing in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of the crypto gang, but you're afraid of turning your wallet into a ghost town. Smart thinking. Here's the thing about cryptocurrency. It's like the Wild West out there. No central bank, it's completely decentralized, and it can feel a bit like a lawless financial frontier. But there's gold in them there hills, if you know where to dig. First, educate yourself. Before you even buy a single Satoshi, that's 100 millionth of a Bitcoin FYI, get your head in the game. Read up. There are heaps of resources out there. Understanding blockchain technology is a good place to start. You'll find out soon that blockchain isn't just a tech buzzword, it's the backbone of crypto. And remember, this isn't your grandma's investing. The volatility of these digital currencies can send you on a roller coaster you didn't even want to ride. Set your budget. Next, decide what you're willing to lose. Not to get all doom and gloom on you, but with crypto, you should only invest money that won't leave you eating instant noodles for the foreseeable future if things go south. Choose the right platform. There are a bunch of platforms out there. Some are as easy to use as buying a latte with your phone. Others are more complex than a Rubik's Cube in a dark room. Look for ones with a strong reputation, friendly user interface, and very importantly, robust security measures. Some popular ones include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. But do your own research here. It's an important step. Dip your toes, don't dive in. Start with small investments. Think of it as dating. You wouldn't marry someone on the first date, right? If you would, we've got bigger fish to fry. Test the waters with a small purchase of Bitcoin or Ethereum, since they're the biggest and often seen as the most stable. Watch how they perform. Track their ups and downs. Get a feel for the market before you get down on one knee. You might hear about some altcoin that's supposedly the next big thing. Be wary of jumping in on something that doesn't have a proven track record. Diversify, diversify, diversify. Like in any form of investing, don't put all your eggs in one crypto basket. Spread it out. There's a ton of cryptocurrencies out there. Imagine on a sunny Portland day, if you planted just one type of tree in your backyard, and then a plague hits that type of tree. Bye-bye, green space. Instead, a bunch of different plants make for a resilient garden. Use a cold wallet. Once you've bought some crypto, don't leave it on the exchange if you can help it. That's like leaving your wallet at a cafe, on the table, outside, overnight. Instead, transfer your investment into a cold wallet, a physical device disconnected from the internet when not in use for added security. Here in Portland, we know all about keeping things cool. Treat your digital wallet the same way. Stay informed. The crypto space is always changing. New currencies, new technology, new scandals. Keep up with the news. There are never guarantees in investing, crypto or otherwise. But if you hit it big, remember your old pal Scott out here in Portland. In all seriousness, stay safe and don't put in more than you can afford to lose. Happy mining.